artificial intelligence, as I've said, is a good thing and can transform the agricultural space. The World Economic Forum has said that the agri space is a $1 trillion industry to the extent that we are applying technology to it. And AI will be a game changer as far as its application in agriculture is concerned. What we have realized as actors within the space is that several instances, the solutions that are developed, the farmers are ignorant of these solutions. They have not been part of the development process. What we are doing as the Responsible Artificial Intelligence Lab is to engage with the farmers as far as developing various solutions for them are concerned. What policy actions do we need to take as government with reference to driving AI in agriculture? It is important that we have investments with reference to educating the stakeholders as far as the space is concerned. It is important that the farmers have a very good understanding of the positive impact of technology as far as the work that they are doing is concerned. Additionally, AI runs on data sets, and what we have realized is that several instances the data sets are just not available. On our own as the Responsible Artificial Intelligence Lab and other initiatives, what we are doing is working with the farmers as far as creating data sets are concerned. It is important that we have a lot of support from government with reference to creating a lot of data sets on various crops within the country so that we are able to develop solutions for those who are in the ecosystem. Having said this, once again I'm saying that even beyond agriculture, there must be a lot of education with reference to the role that technology and AI can play with reference to key sectors of the economy. And so policy action should focus on a lot more education. I mean, as we talk about parliamentarians taking decisions on regulation and all those things, it is always important that we are schooled. And so let's create the avenue so that a lot more people can know about the positives as far as AI is concerned so that we can benefit fully from it through education.